Hi, good morning. This is your host Sonali signing in. Finally, we have some action in the currency space. Rupee has broken the 82 barrier on the lower side and trading 81.87. If it's allowed to continue to go lower, the next halt comes at 81.65 areas, but the litmus test would be if 81.80 is allowed to break convincingly. We've been seeing a lot of buying coming around those zones. So if 81.80 still holds, we again go back to an 82.05 areas. But if 81.80 gives away, we're probably going to halt next at 81.65 areas. I'd like to play for that move with a stop currently at 82.05. I'm still going short. As advised yesterday, a short future trade yielded well and I'd like to continue with the position as long as 82.05 is held on the top side. In the crosses world, again, a lot of action happened. Dollar index has given way and is trading 101.30 odd areas. Euro finally broke the bounds of 110 and is trading 110.45, while GBP is nearing 125. The main catalyst here for a euro move has been the ZEO survey, which came in better than expected, and market is overall expecting much aggressive rate hikes from the eurozone, while Fed is priced in with only one and perhaps may not even go through on the 3rd of May. If that happens, dollar index is poised for a sharp fall of close to 100 or lower. 100 is going to be a psychological barrier, so may not immediately give away. On the crosses front, I think I'd like to stay a bit on the sidelines. I'm sitting already long on my euro exposure and probably will trade with a trailing stop loss of 1.1020. GBP is a no zone for me as of now, and I'll only look to sell at closer to 1.2520. On the data front, it was a fairly light day. Today we have US data in the evening, which will define the next leg for the dollar, but I don't see much of a volatility till the run up to the Fed policy, which is next Wednesday. Till such time, you could see markets behaving in a range, although some profit booking on Friday prior to the policy date is highly possible. For the day, the trade of the day again is to short dollar rupee with stop of 82.05. And on the euro rupee and GBP rupee is not a bad sell to do on euro exports and GBP exports. On slightly again more longish buckets, I would want to go very close exposures on the import side to be covered, which are expiring over the next 1 week to 10 days. Very small portions at different levels can be covered, and again with trailing stop losses. By trailing stop losses, I mean we are waiting for a little better dip to come, but if it starts to break on the upper side of every 5 paisa uptick, portion of the open import exposures can be covered. As I always say, there is a difference between staying prudent and acting with greed. In this scenario, I'd like to act more with prudence and go with my greed on a slightly more longish tenor future shorts. Uh, I think, yeah, that's it for the time being. We'll connect again if there is any other major move in the markets. Good day, and Sonali signing off. Thank you.